Okay, so this time, the formula to find the Pythagorean theorem is what again? A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So this is the formula to find the Pythagorean theorem, the standard formula. But this time, ang gagamitin natin para mas mapadali ang buhay, yung nakaderive na po. Okay. So, saan po nanggaling itong C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared? Symmetric property. In-interchange lang yan. So, dito na tayo magbe-base. Okay. Dito tayo, ito yung gagamitin natin. I-derive natin to para makuha natin itong formula na to. Okay. So, first, hypotenuse muna tayo. So, interchange natin yan using symmetric property. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Ang hinahanap natin si letter C, tama po? Para makuha anak si letter C, kailangan wala siyang exponent na 2. So, anong gagawin natin? I-square root natin both side para matanggal siya. Cancel, cancel. C is equal to, anong natira sa right side? Square root of A squared plus B squared. So, dito po galing yun. Ito po yung derivation na tinatawag. So, ito na yung formula na gagamitin natin. C is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. Saan formula po ito? Sa hypotenuse. And then, kapag si letter A ang nawawala, ito na po yun. A is equal to the square root of, take note, mauna si letter C. C squared minus B squared. Kapag naman si letter B, B is equal to the square root of C squared minus A squared. So, try to use this formula. Example number 2, everyone can you read?
A rescue worker placed a 13-meter ladder against a building. The foot of the ladder is 5 meters from the wall. How high up the wall does the ladder reach?
Okay, first let us analyze the given figure. Based on the given figure, meron po ba kaya tayong right triangle na ma-perform? Okay, yes. Simula dito sa building, and then using this ladder, ito po ang ating right triangle. And then based on the given problem, a rescue worker places a 13-meter ladders. So, ang sukat daw ng ladders na to, ang height daw niya ay 13 meters. And the foot of the ladders, so ito, yung paa daw niya, hanggang sa wall, ang distance daw ay ano? 5 meters. So, ang hinahanap ay how high off the wall does the ladder reach? Ito po yung nawawala. And then, commonly, anak, kapag height, letter B. Kapag vertical, letter B. And then, kapag horizontal, letter A. Meaning, anong letter ang nawawala? Letter B. Given tayo ng hypotenuse. Given tayo ng one leg. Ang missing is letter B. Now, what is the formula to find letter B? B is equal to square root of C squared minus, mas madali po iyan. Ito po ay nakaderive na formula na. Then, after that, write first the given value. What is the measure of A? Okay, 5 meters. And then, the measure of letter B is missing. Tama? Then, letter C is what? Okay, 13 meters. So, substitute na po natin dito. B is equal to the square root of what is C? 13 meters squared minus, what is A? Okay, 5 meters squared. Then after that, simplify. Multiply 13 by itself twice. 13 times 13. 169. Then meter times meter. Meter squared. Minus 5 times 5. Okay, 25 meter times meter. Meter squared. Then after that, subtract. 169 minus 25. 144. And then, atong units, anak, kokopyahin lang natin yan. Meter square. Now, do you think this is already the value of B? No. Check nyo, anak, kung si 144 ay perfect square. Okay, yes. And the square root of 144 is 12. And then, ito, anak, si meter squared, ang gagawin natin, ika-cancel mo yung square root dito at yung squared. Kaya magiging meter na lang ulit siya. Do you understand? So, therefore, the measurement of the height of the given building is 12 meters up the wall. And that is the answer.